Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add videos and pictures on top of other videos using Canva. Whether you are making YouTube content, social media reels, or just experimenting with design, this trick will definitely level up your edits. So let's get started. First of all, go to canva.com and click on create a design. Then choose video from the drop down or search for video. Then choose the aspect ratio like landscape, mobile. You can also use a custom size if needed. Now let's add your base video. This is the one. This is the one where you want other images or clips to appear on top. Click on uploads from the left menu, then upload your video file. Then once uploaded, drag it onto your timeline. Use HD or vertical video depending on your platform, YouTube, Instagram, etc. Next, let's add an image over this video. Click again uploads button and choose from Canva's photo library. Drag the image onto the canvas like that. Resize it by dragging the corners and move it anywhere you want. Want it to appear like a pop-up? Just time it right in the timeline. To overlay a video, follow the same process. Upload a new video file. Like that. Then drag it over your base video. And you can resize it just like an image. Resize it, then click enter. Make sure to align it on the timeline so it appears at the right moment. You can trim the overlay video to match your background clip perfectly. Need the overlay to appear at a certain time? Click on the element in the timeline and drag its edges to control when it shows up. For a smoother appearance, add a simple animation like fade. Click on that. Then go to animate tab and choose from here, choose one from here like that. Cool. For a for a smoother appearance, add a simple animation like fade or pop from the animate tab. Want to go a step further? You can add text on top, apply filters to your overlays, or even add a drop shadow to make it pop. These little touches can really enhance your design. Just for adding text, click on text button, then add a text box and type your text here. And select all, go to fonts tab, then select one from here like that and choose a color from the text color tab and choose a color what you need. And drag it here. Once you are happy with how everything looks, hit the play button from the first of your video, then click space. That's good. Then click on share in the top right corner, then download, choose MP4 video format and hit download. And that's it. You have just added images and videos over other videos in Canva like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.